Namaste, welcome to Pau's Secrets. I am Pau. I'm very happy that you are watching this video today, that you're practicing yoga with me. And in this video, I wanted to show you guys some tips for downward facing dog for the Adho Moksha Svanasana that will help you in your practice. So get ready in your mat and we can start. Subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video, that helps me a lot. We're gonna start from hands and knees, here in all fours, with hips distance apart. You walk your hands forward a little bit, you crawl your toes under, and you start bringing the hips up to the sky. But at the same time, you press in the back of your heart. You see, I'm releasing any weight out of my shoulders, and then I bring the heels down. So this is how down dog is supposed to look like when you have your heels touching the earth. If when you want to touch the earth with your heels, your spine goes like this and you bring that weight over your shoulders, what you gotta do is to bend your knees as deep as you need. You feel the energy also on your sit bones pointing up to the sky, and you press the back of your heart, this part here of your back, you press it. So you keep releasing any weight out of your shoulders, and you feel the lengthening on your spine. You take a deep breath in here, a deep breath out, and for some time, maybe your down dog is here, until you keep working on your hamstrings, and one day you can bring the heels down without modifying your spine. Okay, so from here, one day you will bring the heels down, and this will be your downward facing dog. If you cannot do that, for now, you bend your knees, but you get that beautiful stretch and that beautiful lengthening of the spine during your practice. And you keep moving one knee at a time if you need to work on the back of your legs. Until then, you keep the knees bent, and this is your beautiful downward facing dog. For more videos, just subscribe to my channel and keep practicing with me. Namaste.